Hello folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. We got a 2006 Dodge Stratus, and I just want to show you quick the location of the two O2 sensors on the vehicle. So I'm going to show the O2 sensors from the bottom of the vehicle rather than from the top. I think it's easier to see them from the bottom. I got the car on the left. Go underneath the car. And this is looking from the back to the front of the vehicle. This is the catalytic converter. This is bank 1 sensor 2. Bank 1 sensor 2. And the one that you see right there, that's bank 1 sensor 1. So the one towards the engine is sensor 1, and the one on the cat, like literally just almost to the bottom of the vehicle, is sensor 2. That's all I wanted to show you folks. Thanks. This was again a quick video just to show you the locations of those O2 sensors. Thank you very much and have a great day.